Hi you guys, welcome to today's vlog. I just got ready for the day. I'm about to head out because I have an appointment at actually my plastic surgery office where I got my rhinoplasty. I'm going to their med spa today because I am collaborating with them on a giveaway, so I'm getting a little, I can't remember if it's Botox or lip filler, but I'm going to take you guys with me. So I just wanted to welcome you guys to today's vlog. I'm sitting on my floor, just got ready, curled my hair a little bit, and I wanted to quickly talk about my jewelry. So I wanted to say thank you to Luisa for sponsoring today's video. I am so excited to be working with them because I literally got their pieces in the mail and I was just like dumbfounded. I was so excited because usually I don't buy like really high quality jewelry because it's just so expensive, but what I love about Ana Luisa is that you can literally get pieces starting from $39, tarnish free, best quality, literally just exceptional quality. I'm also wearing their little ring, so I'll show you guys a little bit closer. So cute and dainty. I don't wear a lot of like statement jewelry, so things like these little hoops are like literally my favorite thing ever because it's just so cute. You can wear it every day. And I'm also wearing this stack. Hold on, let me kind of fix it a little bit. So yeah, they get like new products every week just because they are so like sustainable, and their goal for 2020 is to achieve a net zero carbon footprint. So if that doesn't tell you about sustainability, I don't know what does. But they get new pieces in every week, so if you guys can't find these exact pieces I'm wearing, they get new ones every week. Very similar but different at the same time, but it's just really great quality to have in your jewelry, especially if you're like just an everyday, if you go into the office or something like that. It's just great for everyday wear, and especially me, you guys know I'm kind of minimal, so this was just a perfect opportunity to show you guys some great pieces for everybody, like a super budget friendly wallet, or if you wanted to splurge a little bit, there's that too. So here's a little bit of a close-up of the stack that I'm wearing. So each piece like you can wear individually as well. These aren't like going all together. So if I just wanted to wear like this middle black one, which I think I'm definitely going to do in the future, all I have to do is put that one on. But I just like, hold on, let me get a little closer. I just like how it's just so like dainty and just so cute, and I really like how I can wear them with like my fitness apparel, because you guys know that I'm always in activewear. Like right now I'm wearing the Amazon crop that I always talk about, and then leggings, and then this cardigan because it's like actually kind of chilly today, and it's what, August 4th, so it's kind of hilarious how it literally feels like fall already. But that's what I love about these pieces, is that I can just wear these with activewear, because I feel like if I wore like really big hoops, it would just look kind of awkward with activewear. But these little hoops, I'll get you guys a little bit closer, are just so perfect to wear day to day and with activewear. So yeah, I'm going to leave a link down below so you guys can check out Ana Luisa. But I do have a 10% discount code. It's kali.10. I'll leave it on the screen and I'll leave it down below for you guys to check out. Definitely check out their website. They have so many great goodies. I cannot wait to order from them again, especially because, like I said, their prices start at $39, so no luxury markups. So make sure you guys check them out, leave them down below, and let's get on to the vlog.
The brand is really featuring, real women and girls and showcasing their life stories. Right. Is there something that you wish that you knew before starting your business?
Okay, I'm here going to get my lips done. So dang excited. Let me make sure that's locked. But it feels so like surreal to come back here. Hey guys, so I'm just done getting my lip filler, and actually I'm always problematic and I need to come back in tomorrow because my like left side of my lip, I've always had problems with it, and there might be like a vein or something in there, so it bruises a lot more. So they didn't want to put like more in and then create like a huge big problem. So I'm gonna go in tomorrow, they're gonna check it out, but right now I really like the look of them already. I just wanted like more in my, just like more volume in my top lip, so that's good. I feel like I have that, but I'm really bruised still right now. I told her honestly to do like less is more, obviously, and since I haven't gotten filler in my lips, I've gotten like a Botox lip flip before, but I haven't gotten filler, so this is like my first time and I don't know how it's like gonna react to it and stuff. So what I did was I got some, and then next week I might go back and get like more, just depending how it like settles and everything. But I have like really bad bruising in this left side, and I don't know why, but they think it might be like a little vein or something, so I need to ice it. I'm gonna come back and follow up with them, excuse me, tomorrow. So that's that. But I think now, since I'm in the area, I'm gonna go to Lululemon. I'm gonna go get a pair of leggings because I have been wanting to go to Lululemon for a while, but the closest one is like 55 minutes away from me, so I figured I'm like right down the street, might as well go do it. I need to get gas, so I'm gonna do that too. But yeah, I freaking love them in there. I go to Jen to get my lip filler. I'll link her down below. She is great. I've gotten it has been 2 microneedling sessions from her, and Botox, and then Botox again, and then some filler. So yeah, all obviously amazing. I forgot to even tell you guys, I did get a little bit of Botox right here. There's a technical term for it, don't remember. Gabella, I don't know, whatever that is. But I got some Botox in there, and yeah, some filler. So that is the situation right now. I'm going 0 to 80, so when you see me talk to strangers, no, don't you let it get the best of you. You let me slip right through your fingers, and now it's fingers running down B2. I can hear the blood rush through your veins. I can feel the heartbreak going. I am back in my room, and I want to show you guys what I got at Lululemon. So I ended up stopping at another Lululemon location that was open sooner than the one I was actually going to go to, but I got the Align leggings in, I think, the longest pant, yeah, 28 inch, because if you guys don't know, I'm 5'9", so I'm pretty tall, so I try to get leggings in like the longest, and I don't really like crop leggings for some reason. So I got the Line HR pant for the technical details, and then I got a size 2. Hope you guys could see that. But I will say, normally I'm not a size 2, I'm like a size 4 or something, and I feel like with the Align pant you could really size down because it does like stretch. It's very stretchy, and it does stretch out over time. I feel like I had a Line legging a while back, and then I ended up getting rid of them because they like didn't fit me anymore, and I think I had gotten like too big of a size at the time anyway. So I decided to go in, get these. I really like the print on them. I didn't want to get like the basic black because I have like so many dang black leggings, so I got like the fun camo black print. But super excited about these. I tried on the Wonder Trains, which I really liked, but I really like the buttery feel of this, even though I don't remember if they're the Aligns that they say you don't want to like work out high intensity in them. They're not like made for that, which is fine. So I'll just like wear these like when I'm lounging or just doing like a weights session or something. So super excited about this. Yeah, the total was like $108, but yeah, I really am excited for these because I just wanted a new pair of amazing leggings, especially for fall. Such a fun little print for fall. But while I'm sitting here, I wanted to just get a little bit deeper with you guys and chat about this because it's really relevant right now, and I feel like for me, last night I was in my feelings. Holy crap, I was in the feels last night. I was watching Danny Mansutti's YouTube video, and she had I hadn't watched her in a long time. I used to love watching her, and then for some reason like her videos didn't pop up, so I stopped, and then I got back to watching her videos. Seriously, love her. If you guys don't watch her already on YouTube, like the YouTube queen, amazing. But she was talking about her like friendships and how it kind of took her like 25 years to find people who love her unconditionally, and just like talking about how it's harder like to make friends and stuff at this time. And I felt that hard. She is like moving in with this girl she met on Bumble BFF, so I thought that was awesome. But yeah, it just hit me hard because I kind of realized like I'm 23 and it's so hard making friends like after college and like in the workforce, I guess, especially being self-employed. I have like a good like close-knit group of friends, and like I have friends, but like I don't have that one super close friend, like that best friend that I can text about this, that, and then we can like be talking every day. And so badly do I want something like that. So I think I'm gonna really manifest someone like that into my life, just as a best friend to me who supports and cares about me, because I feel like I just don't have like a really close friend like that. I have friends who support and love me, but I'm just like itching for that one person that I can talk to like every day. They know everything about me. Like granted, I have a best friend right now, like he's my boyfriend, like we've been together almost 6 years now. I think we're going like, I think it's more than 5.5 years we've been together. So we're going on 6 years now, and yes, he's my best friend, love him to death, but I just like need a girlfriend who I can talk to about girl stuff and girl talk, and just like go shopping with like last minute and just talk about clothes and like things like that. And it honestly is just like, it just sucks like not having that. So yeah, so if you guys are like the same and you're like, I don't have like many friends, it's hard to make friends like in your mid-20s, don't worry, I am in the same position as you are. I feel like everybody goes through it. But yeah, honestly, I'm just gonna try to manifest somebody who loves me, supports what I'm doing, and just loves me unconditionally and wants to be there for me. So yeah, it's hard because I feel like I can be such a great friend to people. So yeah, it just kind of sucks sometimes when you don't have like that one go-to person like that. So anyway, Angel, come say hi. Oh my god, you're like sleeping. You're like dead asleep. So anyway, I'm gonna get on with the day. I have got to sit down at my computer, answer some emails, do some client work, and do that kind of thing. Okay, now I'm going to my neighbor's house to do some work outside because I'm watching their dog this week, or at least for the next couple of days. So I'm going to do that. Got my laptop, got my bag. I'm gonna hang out outside because it's so dang chilly. It's like shocking. So I'm just Insta-storying now. Hold on, I gotta make sure that's on there. So I'm posting these Insta stories right now from when I got back home. I'm talking about my Amazon crop. So good. What are you doing, Bubba? Hi. Hi, Jackson. We watching the world go by? Yeah, we're watching the world go by. Somebody's cutting their grass. What are they doing? Huh? What are you doing, Jackson? Ah, good boy. Good boy. You want to be in my video?
No, I'm okay. Thank you, though.
Okay, well, now we're going for a bike ride, and then we're going to go in my neighbor's hot tub in a little bit because I got to go let the dog out. But do you want to introduce yourself? Because you're never in my vlogs.
Hey, I'm Brandon. I'm Callie's gay best friend.
Hello, you guys. So it is now Wednesday, and I need some Vaseline on my lips bad. I just feel like they are just so swollen, which they still are because I just got the filler yesterday. But I find that like like my face is so dang sensitive and I bruise really bad. So I have like a big bruise under my lip, which is normal, but like I don't know why my face does this. Like if you watch my rhinoplasty vlog, I bruised like the third day, like so bad I could barely see. But anyway, just got down to the gym. Hope you guys enjoyed the footage, and I think I wanted to end the vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if you guys have any questions about lip filler. Again, I'll leave Jen's handle down in the description box. And oh, so sorry about this sheet. My dad drives this car with my German Shepherd, so hair gets everywhere. If you guys have a German Shepherd, you guys know hair is insane, so we try to use that so hair doesn't get absolutely everywhere, but it still does. But anyway, I also wanted to remind you guys to make sure you check out Ana Luisa Jewelry. I'll leave them again down below in the description box, and you can use my code kali.a10 for 10% off. So yeah, that's super exciting. So make sure you guys check them out. And yeah, I think that's all I have for you guys for this vlog, and I will see you guys next time. Bye. Hey you guys, so I wanted to come on here and share one of my favorite things. So I just got this in the mail. It was on sale. Normally it's $650, but I got it for $500, so it was on a major sale.
Oh fuck.
So yeah, like I said, I got this for $500. Such a steal since it's from a Sigma. What? What?